Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a solution or some solutions for a technical problem that I have found. Please check the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Please consider to like and comment down below. See you later in another video. Did the video help you? I hope it did. And if it did really, please consider subscribing my channel. I would appreciate your support in this lovely weather. See you later again. Bye.